If Opera is giving you the message, an error occurred while checking for updates, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is especially helpful if Opera was working fine before, but now the update check keeps failing, freezing, or refusing to connect. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to clear a stuck update process, disable the built-in VPN if needed, and relaunch Opera the right way so it can check for updates properly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fix videos just like this. First, let's tackle the most common cause. Sometimes a previous auto-update task glitches and freezes in the background, and when that happens, it blocks Opera from running a fresh update check. To fix that, press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard to open Windows Task Manager. If you're on a Mac, you can open Activity Monitor instead and look for the same kind of background process. Once the Task Manager opens, take a look through the list of active processes. You want to find anything related to Opera, including Opera, Opera GTX, or Opera Auto Update Launcher. If you see any of those entries, right-click on them and choose End Task. This is important because a stuck updater can keep Opera from reaching the update server properly. Ending the task clears that frozen process and gives the browser a clean start. If you see more than one Opera-related process, it's a good idea to end each one that looks connected to the update system. After that, close Task Manager and relaunch Opera. Now try checking for updates again. In many cases, that alone fixes the issue because Opera can finally start the update process without fighting a frozen background task. If the error still appears, don't panic because the next fix is just as simple and can make a big difference. The next thing to try is disabling Opera's built-in VPN. Opera includes a free native VPN, and while it can be useful for privacy, it can sometimes interfere with update checks by hiding your location or interrupting the connection handshake with Opera's servers. If it's enabled, look for the blue VPN button next to your URL bar. Click it and toggle it off. Once the VPN is disabled, Opera will be able to connect more normally to the update service. After turning off the VPN, close your browser completely. Don't just minimize it or leave it open in the background. Make sure every Opera window is closed so the settings and connection state can fully reset. Then, go to your desktop and find the Opera icon. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Running Opera with admin privileges can help it access the files and network permissions it needs to complete the update check successfully. Once Opera opens again, give it another try and check for updates. In many cases, combining these steps clears the problem completely. A frozen updater process can block the check, the VPN can interfere with the connection, and running as administrator can help Opera recover with the proper permissions. If the update error is still showing after that, it may be worth repeating the process one more time carefully and making sure no Opera-related tasks are still running in the background. But for most users, these steps are enough to get Opera updating normally again without needing any complicated repair or reinstall. So to recap, first end any stuck Opera update tasks in Task Manager, then disable Opera's built-in VPN, fully close the browser, and reopen it as administrator. That sequence solves the problem for a lot of people, and it's quick enough that you can do it in just a few minutes. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy fixes, app tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.